Good morning, children. In the previous video, you have seen the explanation of the poem, The Giraffe. Now, we are going to do the exercise of a textbook of the poem, The Giraffe. Let's see. Children, take out page number 22 of your English textbook. This was the poem, The Giraffe. Now, we are going to do the exercises. A bit, fill in each blank with one word. The first one is, the giraffe is taller than the dash. So in the poem you just find out where it is telling the giraffe is taller than the picture proves it than the spire. That means the giraffe is taller than the spire. So write down spire here. See the second one. When the people chase the giraffe, they call it, here in the poem you see, that's why the people, when they race to catch him, call it a steeplechase. So answer is steeplechase. Write down in the blank given, steeplechase. Come to next page, children, that is page number 23. Third one. The poet says that the dash in the giraffe's throat takes very long to go down. See the poem. His foot has such a way to go. So in the poem we find out his foot has such a way to go. His throat so very long and so. So what it has to go? Foot. So write down foot here. See the fourth one. In the poem, shine or wet means dash or dash. Here see in the poem, his chief delight, it is to set a good example of shine or wet. As I told you during explanation, children, shine means giving light in the poem here. So write down giving light. Giving light, or wet means soaked in water. Okay. Now come to B bit, children. From the poem, write rhyming words for these words. First one is all. What is the rhyming word for all in the poem? Let's see. All, tall. So write down tall here. Second one, higher. Here, higher. The rhyming for higher is spire. Write down spire in the second one. Third one is set. See in the poem, where do you find set? Here it is set. The rhyming word for set is wet. Write down wet here. Fourth one is lunch. Where is lunch? Yes, lunch, munch. Fourth one, write down munch here. Question answers we'll do in notebooks, children. Come to D bit. Do you wake up early or late? Write any three things that can go wrong if you wake up late in the morning. So you can write here 3 points. If you get up late in the morning, what are the 3 things that can go wrong? Write with the help of your parents, children. Write down 3 things. Okay? Bye.